This is a shoe rack, guys, I bought, and it only fits size 7 shoes. But then you see I got these shoes which are supposed to be size 7, but they keep falling down like this. I don't normally do this kind of videos, but I looked for a hack to stop these from falling down like this and kind of hold them up like that. I didn't know what to do. I was thinking of cutting this and making it larger, stuff like that. Anyway, long and short of it is that I could not find anything, so I'm gonna try something and see if it works. So guys, I was thinking of the hack to be something like from here, I think, and across to there. I was thinking of putting it in the middle. I'm not sure at the moment, but I'm going to sew it on and then we're going to try it out, because I just can't find a hack on YouTube or anywhere else how they do this. So that's the idea. But I was thinking I was going to leave it right across there, but I think I'll just put something in the middle there and see how we go. Well guys, it kind of works. My shoes are bigger than this, and you might be thinking, why did I buy such a small? But I didn't realize it was only going to use size 7 shoes. My shoes are size 7, but you know, nowadays these trainers are pretty huge, so it just didn't fit. But it works. This one fits nicely, right? This one's just about fitting on. It's not really 100% going on there, as you can see, but it doesn't matter. The thing is, it holds it up. That's what I needed, because before it just flips down and falls down. So that hack works really well. I mean, like that. So that's fine with me. Obviously, I'm going to do one more here for a couple more of the shoes, and after that, I'll leave the others as it is, because slippers and sandals can go on there. Like that, slippers and sandals can go inside it. They're going nice and easy. It's not a problem. In fact, I put it the wrong way around. Should have gone this way now. Oh, you know what I mean. There you go. In case somebody said, "Oh, you got that wrong." There you go, guys. So yeah, I just couldn't find a hack out there. But I'm not really happy with this as it is. I'm gonna have to kind of super glue this down or something like that there, because the cotton is coming off already. So guys, a quick update on my last comment I made on this thing. I've attached everything, as you can see. That holds perfectly upright, as it were. It was a little bit of a struggle to put these in because they're pretty wide, and I glued these down now, so they're pretty well inside there nicely. That's it really. I'm hoping that somebody else has a better idea than this. Please leave it in the comments, so that maybe another time I could do something about that. But yeah, that's the hack, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment.